Today we're going to do an unboxing of the charge carrier and the charge carrier add-on. So here's the charge carrier. And we're going to start by taking out the carrier, the riser, hardware bag, included ratchet strap, hitch pin, 2 adjustable mounting brackets, and the flat mounting bracket. So once you have all your hardware out, you're going to take your carrier, put it upside down, take your riser, place it in the carrier, take this bolt and put it through the inside of the carrier, because on the inside there's a spot that holds the hex position of the hex bolt. We're going to take a flat washer, a locking washer, and a wing nut. Flat washer first, then locking washer, and screw on the wing nut. Next step, we're going to take our mounting brackets and place them in the most inward position on the carrier. There's 4 holes on each side that let you adjust these brackets in or out, and we recommend starting with them in the most inward position to see how your bike sits. I'm going to take these bolts, place them through the hole. Screw them on with the flange lock nuts. Once you got your brackets on, you'll take your carrier out to your car and you can fine-tune the position of these brackets depending on how your bike sits on it. Now that we got the charge carrier fully built, it's ready to use on your next adventure. Let's go build the charge carrier add-on. The hardware bag, include a ratchet strap, charge carrier add-on, the adjusting mounting brackets, the connecting plates, and the flat plate. Take our hardware bag out. Now we're going to take the charge carrier and put the connecting plates on the back side in these slots, and they'll hook on in the correct position. We're going to take our bolts, place them through the square hole on each side, screw on your locking nut. Once you have the connecting plates installed on the add-on, you'll take it and slide it on these front slots all the way to where they hook in. Once you got your add-on installed onto the charge carrier, you'll repeat the process with the same bolts and nuts. Once the add-on's fully installed, you'll take your adjustable mounting brackets and install them the same way as before with the most outward position. Take the bolts, slide them through, bolt them on the bottom. And now we have a fully built charge carrier and charge carrier add-on. When you have everything built, you'll take the carrier out to your car and see how the bike sits. If you notice one side sitting lower than the other, this is where you get to adjust these mounting brackets inward or outward. For my personal bike, I use the mounting bracket all the way on the inside on one side and all the way on the outside on the other side, and this helps lift the front wheel and keep a level bike. With a lot of bikes out there, there's also kickstand sensors, and these holes right here help protect the kickstand sensor and make sure the bike sits level. Now, if you notice that these mounting brackets aren't needed for your bike, you also can install the flat bracket, which is a great addition to anyone's arsenal of bikes that don't need a hole to make their bike sit level. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your carrier, and we hope to see you on the next one.